Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I have inside my Sling bag. Now, I'm not going to pronounce that because I just say Kanken, so we're just going to roll with that. I'm not going to go too in depth with showing you the bag because I did a separate video on it. So if you guys are interested, just go ahead and check that video out. But I'm going to show you guys what I have inside my Sling. So I'll give you a quick view. Bottom. And this is a crossbody. Okay. Here's the top, which I have it clipped together. And we're gonna go ahead and start with this first pocket right here. This is a very small pocket, but it surprisingly fits a lot of stuff. So first is my little pill holder, which just has like ibuprofen and like Tums, stuff like that. Mentos, ooh, little Mentos mints. I have a lip balm. That is everything that's in this little small pocket. Right, so we're moving on to the main compartment. Let's unclip it from up here. So there's an overview, and as you can see, this bag opens pretty far down, so it makes it really easy for you to be able to pick out whatever it is that you're trying to find in your bag. So the first thing we're going to take out is my little happy notes, which you guys have seen me carry these. I just write like little notes down. Here's what the pages look like. I have some dental picks and floss, and these two actually come apart, so if you didn't want to take both of them, you can just, let me see if I can do it with one hand. Here you go, it slides right off, so you can take this one by itself, or you can just take this one. Next is my hand sanitizer. This stuff is pretty cool and it smells really good. Then I have the little Victoria's Secret Herbal Teas perfume. It smells amazing. I love it. Next I have my AirPods, which I changed the case to a gray so that it matches the bag like so. Looks like I have another hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. Stuff smells really good. I got a little peppermint roll-on oil, and I actually use this when I feel nauseous. I have an EOS lotion. I have a little mini caboodle case, which just currently has, it's really small. It currently just holds Tylenol. Isn't this like the cutest thing ever? It just gives me 90 vibes. The thing in this big compartment is the wallet that I'm using at the moment, which is a little Victoria's Secret keychain wallet. There's nothing in this back slot. It's empty. And then onto the back. And in here, all I have currently is a mask. Alright, so here's everything that I've been carrying around in my little Sling bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.